Devin coached mobility and recovery, the unglamorous work of helping people move without pain again. 5 years of patient, careful videos had built a following of 250,000 who trusted him with their broken down bodies. And he built it the right way. His own recovery program, sold through his own site where clients signed up, typed in their injuries, their surgeries, their chronic pain, and paid. He never once thought about the tools bolted underneath it. The letter came by email on an ordinary Friday, sitting there between a client's progress note and a program update. Dear Mr. Osei, our client signed up on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired, a script that recorded every keystroke on your recovery intake form, your checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it disappear, $41,750 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Devin almost laughed. His site was built on a normal platform, like everyone's. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The moment his intake page loaded before a single client clicked accept, 13 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on his form. His clients, typing their surgeries, their chronic pain, their card numbers, and a script, quietly copying all of it to a server he had never heard of. That is the part that gutted him. He had built the whole thing on being the safe hands people came to when they were already hurting. And his own website had been handing their most private medical details to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. His lawyer was blunt. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $41,750. That was most of a year of what the program actually cleared. It was the certification course he had been saving to build next. It was a punch straight to the gut of everything he had built. But sitting there, Devin realized the fear had an answer. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could face this, knowing what was true, and make his clients' trust mean something again. Devin earned every one of those clients the hard way, one careful session at a time. And the thing that nearly cost him all of it was invisible, running on his own website every single day. Right up until he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information